Okay, hey, over here I have a great question to respond to. Before today, I've already made about 3 videos, tutorial videos in fact, to teach you about how do you go to the Google browser and search with the keyword AliExpress affiliate program, and it will give, and the official link can be found through this way on your own. And I also just discovered that it seems like one of the previous tutorial video was corrupted and it can no longer be played for viewing purposes. In view of that, I will go and make another one now just for you because of your question. So here we go. Let me flip the camera over to let you see my laptop, whereby I will demonstrate to you live how do you get the official AliExpress affiliate program link through the Google. Okay, I'm here at my Google browser. So let me show you how would I find the official link by typing the word AliExpress affiliate program. Hit enter, and as you can see, it shows the first one is actually the official AliExpress link. I'll zoom in for you to see that this is how the official link will be spelled like. It is https:// twice followed by the word portals spelled as portals dot next the trademark name of AliExpress spelled as AliExpress followed by .com. Next, we will click on it to activate the link, and it will show up to you the registration page, right? Once more, see AliExpress portal, right? And of course, you will have the marketing message on your sign up page to inform you many much more information. So take your time to read through what are the benefits you are getting when you choose to partner the official AliExpress affiliate program. And also over here, it shows you some simple steps of how you are going to make the real commissions by helping official AliExpress to promote products that are found on their shopping website. Next, click on the register button over here, right? Follow the simple instructions given, right, to register. I strongly recommend you that you register through these ways, the suggested ways, instead of you go and put in the email followed by to create a password, a new password for AliExpress. For future convenience purpose, may I suggest that if you have a Gmail, choose the Google option because it will show up all the possible email entry that you may have, which you already have with Google. For instance, I have 3 different emails that is already signed up using Google, right? So I will just need to select any one of them to continue. Upon successful sign up, this is how the official AliExpress affiliate program dashboard will look like. Plain, simple, white color, right? The logo on the left here, again, there's the word portal shown. Let's say if you have started making commissions through your successful marketing effort in promoting the products, right? The transactions by customers, real paying customers will show up here, as well as the commission. And over here, by just one click on the withdraw button, when there's a commission, of course, it will be credited into your bank account that you have actually linked during the site registration process. In addition, upon successfully registering for the official AliExpress affiliate program, right, you will also receive from time to time their official email communication in the form of newsletter to you, highlighting to you what are the trending products for you to promote. Let's take, for example, this one. This email, that is the latest email being sent on the 30th of July to me as an affiliate marketer. So this is how, as you can see, right, this is an affiliate newsletter. So when you are successfully registered with a proper and official affiliate program with official AliExpress, this will be the official channel they will communicate with you. This is the official channel that they will correspond with you, informing you what are the trending products, what are the special discount code given to you. So for this example, you can see this is in the Brazil region. If you will choose to promote the products to the country of Brazil, and here it is actually France and so on. And of course, if you are new, after registration, the first email you will receive from the official AliExpress email in your inbox would be the welcome email. So this is how you can confirm that you are now officially and properly registered with the official AliExpress affiliate program. And from then onwards, you can start to learn how to choose the products, generate the affiliated link, and learn how to create content to promote the products that you have chosen from the official AliExpress shopping website. So in short, it means for you to actually make consistent commissions from doing your marketing work, you have to continuously learn and master the skill sets, which is a business skill sets called marketing. So if you would like to learn exactly what marketing is all about, I teach about this principle called attraction marketing, right? So comment attraction marketing below so that I can send you to my private Telegram group whereby you can access training videos and the ebook guides of 87 pages about teaching you about what exactly is attraction marketing. So I hope in response to this comment here by one of my new followers, I suppose he is from South Africa, right? It is useful for all of you that once and for all, you clarify all doubts of how you get yourself registered properly with the official AliExpress affiliate program. So I will see you in my next video updates.